There we go, that's a better viewing angle. Okay, let's get the seat forward. Okay, let's see what happens when I crank her over. Well, that was great. It almost started. Let's get the laptop secured a little bit better. My stinking USB cable were longer. Let's go like that. I'm going to have to give it some gas to get it started. Sorry, guys. It's idling. I'd say it worked. Okay, I'm in a closed garage. I'm going to shut her down now. I noticed the tack on the dash isn't working, so I'm going to have to figure out why that is. But other than that, it fired right up on the first try. Sweet. I am good.